Not too bad. It stalled a little bit when you first pulled up. Yeah, down by that tree.
Wow.
So I set out to make a control line airplane that was easier to make than a conventional wood construction, that was more durable, and yet at the same time would be capable of flying hopefully the complete stunt pattern. So I chose for my model the Hummer, which is a 3D radio controlled aircraft. It's about 40 some dollars from Hobby King, and you can see me unboxing it here. And this is the size of the Hummer, and it's made out of EPP foam, so it's very durable. And for the next few minutes you're going to see me unpacking the kit, and then a quick summary of me building the aircraft. Okay, and you'll see me going through the steps pretty much as they are given in the aircraft. If you've never built a foam plane like this, I hadn't either, so it took me a while to figure out what I was doing. And to get my foam glue ready to pour took a minute also. I think about half the building time was getting my glue to work. To push down the carbon fiber rods, I used a penny and slid a penny along the rod, and then that seated it into place rather quickly, rather easily. Assembled, then I needed to put the wing into the fuselage, which took me a minute to figure out. And then you run stringers down the sides of the fuselage also. And since I was building it for control line, I just glued the rudder into place with a couple degrees of offset. Okay, here's the completed aircraft with a perfect half-A bell crank on it, and a wooden block I added for that, a push rod I made, and the motor I used. First time we took the plane out to fly, it was incredibly tail heavy, and I didn't expect that.
Can't wait till the minute's done.
We were flying the plane on 11.1 volts, and once we got it trimmed out, it really did fly fine for beginners and some basic aerobatics. You'll see at the end of the video it doing wing overs and loops, and I flew it inverted, and I was able to do a horizontal figure 8 with it. However, I believe it'll need 14.8 volts to be capable of doing more maneuvers. We moved the battery pack forward to start smoothing it out, but we didn't make any control linkage adjustments at that time, so it was still very, very tricky to control. We added some outboard weight, which I forgot to do. Adjusted the bell crank to make the plane more docile, and here was the result of those changes.
It'd be easier if it was a cloudy day. It's kind of sunny to see the plane go.
Yeah, it should be fine for a wing over.
Is that a wing over?
Yeah. You're a little close to the portables. Yeah, that way a little bit. Good, you're fine. You can do another wing over if you want.
Oh! Oh wow, oh wow.
Not too bad.
That was huge.
It stalled a little bit when you first pulled up. Yeah, down by that tree.
Wow. Oh, another wing over.
So the plane
There's
is,
an hour for that.
when it's calmed out, it's easy enough to fly, not at the start there.
Yeah, that's a wing over. You go
Which is
not
good
too
for
close to that
beginners.
curb.
The next question was, is it
There you go.
durable enough for beginners? And so I
If you walk
was
this way,
letting
you might get
my,
asphalt. Oh, what's that?
Try to fly it. And my cousin, my brother's daughters,
Oh,
they both crashed it, but they were gentle crashes. So was the EPP tough enough for hard crashes? And well, here's a little bit harder. That broke the motor mount off, and we glued it back together, and it went flying again just fine. So it's a relative success.